Girl math is knowing that August 31st, 1888 was the date of the death of Mary Ann Nichols, the first of the Jack the Ripper murders, but also the one-year anniversary of Henri Ponzini's execution in Paris. Right up until the blade of the guillotine fell, Ponzini maintained his innocence for the triple homicide. The murder of Marie Renaud, a prominent sex worker in Paris, her housekeeper, and her housekeeper's daughter, who was only 12, all three women were murdered in their sleep, throats slit. Although convicted of those three murders, the Third Republic was unable to pin the other 7 unsolved murders of sex workers upon him. And the incompetency of the Parisian police was mocked so widely that when they attempted to share their case files with the London police, noting the similarities between the Parisian murders and, of course, the Jack the Ripper murders, the police in London refused their help. Girl math is realizing that the 3 packages of body parts found in the Montrouge neighborhood and now known as the Parisian torso murder of 1886 were found as few as 50 meters from an entrance to the Parisian catacombs, an entrance which was blocked less than 24 hours before by a cave-in of the Parisian metro. Girl math is looking up train timetables from 1888 and realizing that the train from Paris to London only took 7 hours and 9 minutes, including the ferry ride across the English Channel. Girl math is reading that the body from the Paris torso murder was washed in carbolic acid, also known as phenol, which had been used since 1834 to reduce the smell of animal carcasses and prevent rot, but had already been in wide use as a key ingredient in artists' paints and primers. Girl math is realizing that the final victim of Jack the Ripper, Mary Jane Kelly, a name likely to be an alias, was by far the youngest of Jack the Ripper's victims, estimated to be only 25 years old. However, historians have never found her birth certificate. The first mention of her in public records is in 1883, but that history's last mention of Degas model Marie Geneviève von Gotham was in 1882 as she attempted to flee with her sister and mother from France. Marie Geneviève was born in 1865 and would have been 23 in 1888. Girl math is wondering if Mary Jane Kelly's mother and sisters did not come to claim her body because it was a 7-hour train ride.